Samsung Galaxy Note 20 breaking news. So what's up guys, and as we know, we have already talked about tons of specs about the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra, but still we can see a lot of changes in specs. After all, they are observing what suits best for the top Android flagship of this year. The breaking news about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is the bezel on the both sides are narrowed by 0.29 mm, the forehead and chin together narrowed a total of 0.4 mm, while the whole diameter is reduced by 1 mm and the thickness fuselage is reduced by 0.3 mm compared to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So it concludes that the console in the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra could be the smallest console possible because Samsung is likely to get rid of console and bezels from upcoming smartphone, that is Galaxy S21 lineup. Besides this, Ice Universe also shared us some specs about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. He claims that the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will be powered by Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, but in country where Samsung launches Exynos chipset in place of Snapdragon, the phone could have new Exynos 992 chipset. If we observe Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra camera area, we can clearly see the Note 20 Ultra is a bit bigger like the S20 Ultra, while the regular Galaxy Note 20 camera looks pretty similar to the S20 Plus. Talking about the display, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has a step curved display like we saw on the Note 10 Plus, while the Note 20 will have a flat display. According to Ice Universe, the Ultra model features an LTPO display that supports Quad HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate at the same time, while the Galaxy Note 20 features 60Hz refresh rate at Full HD resolution, which is quite disappointing. They could have featured at least 90Hz refresh rate, but they might be thinking of lowering the starting price of the Galaxy Note 20 series for higher sales. So I expect the Galaxy Note 20 will cost around $650. You might think this image everybody showing up is Note 20 Ultra, but it is actually Note 10 Plus. Ice Universe tweeted just 9 milliseconds, but he didn't mention anything, which made all of us confused for a while. Since he leaked Note 20 Ultra specs, we can expect its response time of the upgrade S Pen. So the 9 millisecond Ice Universe is talking about could be the response time of the S Pen on the Galaxy Note 20 lineup. We also heard there will be an upgraded S Pen offering different cool features, but we still have no clues about those features yet. And as there is a Note 20 Ultra instead of Note 20 Plus, many people were expecting same 100x feature in the Note 20 Ultra, but Ice Universe has confirmed again that it will have a maximum 50x optical zoom. So that's all the latest news about the Galaxy Note 20 lineup. Let me know your thoughts about this phone in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel for latest tech updates.